3-week journey takes us to the beautiful city of Bangkok, the ancient city of Ayutthaya, the beautiful temples of Chiang Mai, and idyllic Koh Samui.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Thailand.
I know, we woke up.
31 hours later.
Woohoo!
That's just the flying part. We're not going to tell you about the rest.
Our journey began in Tampa. We flew via Fort Lauderdale. It was a little bit cheaper to do that. On to Detroit, where we picked up our connecting flight 14 hours straight to Seoul. And we had upgraded to Premium Select, which is a slightly upgraded experience, which I felt that we needed for 14 hours, so it was well worth it. And they fed us well. Didn't really get to sleep too much, but the food was good, so we'll thumbs up for that. Cheeky little beverage as well. But 14 hours is a long time on a plane, there's no doubt about it. We arrived at Incheon International Airport, this little customary thing you have to go through, and then out into the concourse there, where we enjoyed perusing the shops, just checking everything out. We only had a couple of hours, didn't find much to eat there, so don't go there hungry, unless we missed it, of course. It's a very interesting airport to check out. Before we knew it, time to board Korean Airways, and we were off to Bangkok. Cheeky little Korean beer there, very spicy meal. And then we were landed in Bangkok, boom. Suvarnabhumi Airport. Used cash point machines there to grab some Thai baht, and we leapt into a taxi. There's a lot of little kiosks there that you can book one. It was actually very easy, it's just outside as you come out. And yeah, it's a very, very short journey, and we're heading to our hotel for the night, and that is the Diva Lux Resort. Fabulous hotel. Just Mel just checking in.
No, it was very efficient, actually. It's just really long day and a half or whatever that is. I don't know.
It went well. We are at the Diva Lux Resort. Breakfast.
Yeah. We're right by the airport.
Yeah. So Chiang Mai today.
Yeah, we're going to fly shortly again.
But time for some breakfast. We'll show you what that's like. Already we're surrounded by bird sounds and everything. It's lovely. Let's go. The Diva Lux is a large, large resort. So this is just one little part of it. We're going to show you the rest in a little bit. And this is right down by the river. Let's go and have a quick look. It's very pretty. It's early. It's like 7:30 in the morning. We are literally right on the river. How cool is that? There's these lovely little chairs out here. Very nice. All right, this is going to be our breakfast location. Not too shabby. Let's go and check it out. Isn't that beautiful? I love the architecture, don't you? Good morning. What are you cooking here? Some eggs?
Okay.
Omelette?
Okay.
Nice.
Oh.
Fabulous. All right, let's go and take a look at quick breakfast here. Some sushi items. I'm assuming this is soba noodles. How lovely with all the trimmings. Air fried rice. Some baked chicken. Very nice. Stir fried mushroom. Beautiful. Mushroom biryani. Wow, look at that. It smells amazing. Fresh milk. Cereals, fruits. Salads. Here, like little sandwiches. Selection of stuff. Toast. Juices. Tea and coffee making machine. Looks fancy. Alright, making some breakfast. A little bit of congee. Beautiful freshly squeezed orange juice. Lovely cappuccino. Some dragon fruit, fresh watermelon. Freshly made omelette and some biryani rice, which is a little interesting. Now it's gone with some spring roll, a little omelette too, some fresh fruit, and some toast. Breakfast of champions. Alright, quick look around the pool. This is a beautiful main pool here at Divalux. There's somebody out there already enjoying it. This beautiful structure is a bar. How lovely is that? Look at that. Set up so nicely too. Towels. I wonder what the temperature's like. Should we feel it? Oh, it's nice. There we go. Alright, so this is room 7290. As you come in, you have a big walk-in bathroom shower. Has all the amenities, so if you haven't brought your shampoos and conditioners, they're all there. You've got a rain shower and a handheld one, that's good. You've even got toothbrush and toothpaste, so that's perfect with an array of soaps. Very nice. And of course a hairdryer. You have you can get a king or two queens, or two doubles. A little mini fridge, a couple of bottles of free water, robes, bippers, and then I think behind here there is a safe, yes. A good size safe, actually, definitely fit a laptop in there. And a little torch. We've got tie plugs here. I don't see any USBs. I don't think we have. What have we got over here? Yes, there's two USB accesses there and more tie plugs. And then over here we have, again, this setup. And just like that, time to head back to the airport. And yeah, a short 20-minute journey. And we were about to fly up to Chiang Mai and using Bangkok Airways, which of course is a boutique airline with all the trimmings and some freebies. Very nice indeed. So this is the lounge. We have some charging areas, some seats. Might grab a coffee. Water. Coffees. Oh, we can have a Thai milk tea. Might have that. Got juices. And iced. Some pastries. Not sure what they are. Alright. Oh, a bit of popcorn in. Lovely. This was actually one of the best Thai teas I tried when I was in Thailand, to be honest with you. The gate was ready, we were ready to go. And to get to the plane, it's on the tarmac. You have to use these buses. They'll drive you up to it. Use the stairs to get on. This cute, brightly coloured plane. And yeah, great service, immaculate, clean. You pay a little bit extra for the Bangkok Airways experience, but you know, they feed you a whole meal. The flight's like an hour. It's incredible. And before you know it, we were landing in Chiang Mai. The weather was beautiful, and there we were, boom. Now, unfortunately, in Chiang Mai, the River Ping had burst its banks due to some of the worst flooding they'd experienced in many, many years. And our friends actually had a little bit of trouble to pick us up, but they managed to get us. And also, on the way back, we stopped at this vendor and got some fried bananas, which is the perfect Thai snack. So in our next video, we really had the most amazing third day in Thailand when Mally and Rod, our friends, took us to Doi Saket and the surrounding areas. We checked out this incredible temple and all the surrounding things that were going on. We went to markets and food stalls. And yeah, it was just an amazing experience. So yeah, please stay tuned for our next vlog on that. And at the end of the video, check out Cooking with Mally in the kitchen. So you want to know what it's like cooking in a Thai kitchen with a real Thai local, then yeah, she was kind enough to show us a few dishes and get us involved as well, which is fabulous. So thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy the rest of the video. Coriander, carrot, red onion,
Yeah.
and cashews. Okay. What are we making?
Mango salad.
Mango slaw.
Salad.
Salad.
Salad,
Yeah.
mango salad.
Mango salad.
I understand Thai better than her, I think.
Yeah. And then what I would like you to do is that you need to do,
Grate it,
yeah. This one can be that.
put deeper lines.
Oh,
Yeah.
that looks easy.
Oh, yeah.
Can you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
slippery.
But maybe that sometimes the Thai people not have this one. Them do that.
Oh, wow.
Look like the papaya one. You know?
And then you
Like
cut
a
it?
papaya.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like this.
wow,
Yeah.
that's cool.
You like have some big, some small, mix
Okay.
together.
So different gives different texture, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Sugar,
Brown sugar and
Fish sauce?
sesame or fish?
fish sauce,
Yeah,
Fish.
fish sauce.
What the
Oh,
Thailand
great
call
time.
น้ำปลา fish sauce.
Tablespoonful, yeah, okay.
Because I have to make it at home now.
and some นิดหน่อย chili powder. It's okay?
Yeah.
นิดหน่อยเนาะ
Yeah.
ใช่ And
So in
then
Thai, how do you say not hot?
ไม่เผ็ด
Yeah.
My pet.
no spicy
No
ไม่
spicy.
ไม่เผ็ด
Lime.
น้
This is from the garden, the lime?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. How cool is that?
Beautiful.
Mix.
ำ yeah.
Taste a little.
Every good chef tastes their food, right?
Yeah.
sour
Not bad.
okay it's okay
Fresh
thank you.
lime is good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
mango but for
Shredded.
for color for look good
Then we toss it all up.
beautiful
Looks
color
good.
Mix.
Easy.
yeah
That's good.
And those different levels of heat. That's
That's a
perfect.
frying heat.
Yeah. It's good though.
And some cashews on top.
yeah cashew on
Perfect.
top
Finishes the dish.
I could make that for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
We have spring roll.
That's
Is it
nice.
vegetable? Yeah. Vegetable spring
Yeah.
roll.
Beautiful.
With the sauce is like a spicy or
นิดหน่อย spicy
no?
Looks
Looks good,
amazing.
doesn't it?
huh? Yeah.
Little feast.
you can be taste the salt one
I'm gonna kill that. Watch. Come this way. Now get you.
Oh, very nice. So we've got limes and coriander, is it?
no
What is this?
ผักชีฝรั่ง and egg
Oh.
And then we have
long bean
Long bean.
spring onion and this one
the cabbage.
Cabbage?
yeah
Yeah.
yeah
And then this is
Onion.
no it's
garlic?
the
What is that?
from the China one the white long one look like the carrot and then it's a palm sugar vinegar fish sauce some นิดหน่อย chili powder
Chili
even
powder.
you like to
spice it up a little.
yeah
And then you have noodles.
yeah
Just white rice noodle. Thai cooking is like the pan is also always very hot.
yeah
And what is that?
palm sugar
Oh, really?
Palm
Yeah.
sugar. Yeah.
Wow. So we've got palm sugar, we've got white wine vinegar, we've got fish sauce,
and
mysterious ingredient, we're not quite sure. Okay, tasting.
อร่อยอร่อย
Perfect.
Okay.
I've seen that pad thai done with the big fat noodles.
yeah like this
Yeah. Long.
Yeah.
Cabbage.
peach long bean
Long beans,
spring onion
spring onion.
Yeah. The stalks.
Smells mighty fine.
You can smell that sauce.
Right.
We need smell-o-vision.
I know, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Peanut.
Oh, peanuts?
Yeah.
Yes, you can't have pad thai without peanuts, huh?
Yeah. On top.
So I'll throw
Right. นิดหน่อย chili.
chili flake.
อืม
Perfect. In Thai, what do they
แค
call
บแคบหมู
Cap moo.
แคบหมู yeah
Cap moo.
like this นี่ดัน
And that's it. Finished
อื
dish. Perfect.
ม
Listen to those sounds. It's amazing. I love this about Thailand. I really do. So good to be back. It really is. It's been way too long. It's wonderful.